Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to add phone camera to OBS. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. Using your iPhone as a webcam for your PC involves installing a third-party app, the so-called Arian webcam is one such app that allows you to use your iPhone's camera as a webcam for your computer, and here are the general steps on how to do this. Step 1. Download and install the Arian webcam for PC and from the App Store on your iPhone. Step 2. Visit the Arian website, link in the description down below. Download and install the Arian webcam software from your PC. Step 3. Connect your iPhone to your PC using a USB cable. Ensure that both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network. Step 4. Open the Arian webcam app on your iPhone. Step 5. The Arian webcam software on your PC. Step 6. In the Arian webcam software on your PC, choose your iPhone from the list of available cameras. Step 7. Adjust any settings you need, such as video quality, resolution, or other preferences, both on your iPhone and an Arian webcam software on your PC. Step 8. Once everything is all set, you should be able to use your iPhone as a webcam for your PC in applications that support webcam input. Now, let's add video capture device to OBS. To do this, open OBS Studio on your computer. Click the plus button on the sources. Choose video capture device. Then select Arian webcam as the device. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.